Welcome to Summer Bay Resort Orlando. Located on a secluded private lake, Summer Bay Resort is a quiet retreat, yet only minutes from the most popular attractions in the world. At the Summer Bay Resort Orlando, we are committed to creating vacation memories that last a lifetime, one special guest at a time. The resort boasts accommodation selections for all tastes, including 1- and 2-bedroom condominiums, 2-bedroom villas, and spectacular private pool vacation homes. Spacious and luxurious, all of Summer Bay Resort's accommodations feature gourmet kitchens to make your own private meals, and separate dining and living rooms to relax and unwind in after a busy day. A washer and dryer and a private patio or balcony are available in most to complement each individual style and taste. Summer Bay Resort Orlando features a wide variety of activities to partake in for the young and the young at heart, such as a 64-acre lake featuring water sports, a floating aqua park with rock climb, fishing and snorkeling, an interactive water playground, 18 holes of adventure golf, tennis, basketball, volleyball, and much more. Everything you'll desire is located on the resort grounds, including smaller lakes, free-form heated pools, a pristine beach, and sparkling jacuzzis. Summer Bay Resort Orlando provides complimentary transportation to Disney, as well as to our own Summer Bay Plaza that boasts a Publix grocery store, a hair and nail salon, dry cleaners, restaurants, and more. These are just a few of the many reasons why families return to Summer Bay Resort Orlando to vacation year after year. The entire team at Summer Bay Resort Orlando is committed to providing the very best in customer service, exceptional accommodations, and unsurpassed amenities. Don't delay. Book online today and start making vacation memories to last a lifetime.